Why choose BilgeAdam for nearshoring? We focus on designing, architecting, and delivering solutions rather than just providing services. Thus, you can expect outcomes and business results. Quick facts: 25 years of experience in IT services. Third largest independent software development company in Turkey. 1,000 plus clients in different industries. Leading technology partners. International awards, accreditations and certifications. Robust IT security systems and policies. Group companies in the UK and the Netherlands. Extensive talent pool. Access to over 2,500 tech experts. 1,000 plus full-time developers. Certified engineers, project managers, and developers. In-house IT academy and boot camps. High-quality service with competitive rates. Access to the top 3% of talent. Seamless talent management. A team of 70 plus full-time recruiters. AI-based human capital management software. Evaluating and hand-picking top talents. Low attrition rate. A well-established support department. Quality assurance. Great working environment. 6 high-end offices in London, Den Haag, Istanbul, and Ankara. 2 offices located in state-sanctioned technoparks. Physical security measures. Robust and secure IT infrastructure. Advantageous locations. Dynamic workspaces for remote developers. 1,500 plus hot seats. Large, multi-purpose social spaces. Welcome kits with all necessary equipment. Training and meal vouchers. Paid leaves and health insurance. Relocation assistance. Employee get-togethers.